COVID-19 and seasonal flu shot vaccination records, tutorial part 2. Please book an appointment with your family doctor and bring your health form documents with you. If you already received your COVID-19 vaccination, please ask your doctor to transfer the dates on the form. Just to give you an example, if you already received your doses, ask them to transfer the dates on the form, and you must attach your COVID-19 vaccination records either from your Ministry of Health or from your home country. Please note that some sectors continue to require proof of COVID vaccine from our students in clinical practice course, such as hospitals, long-term care facilities, childcare centers, and other healthcare or community-based settings. These sectors, including learning environments at George Brown College, continue to follow public health regulatory standards and best practices. Please double-check your specific program health form and follow the instructions regarding the COVID-19 requirements for your program. Flu shot is strongly recommended every year in November and December. And if you receive your flu shot by that time, please ask your doctor to document the date on the form. You can also check our flu shot vaccine link for the list of places where you can get this flu shot in November and December.